Imagine finding out that just 3 everyday foods, the kind you can grab at any grocery store, might actually help support healthier blood sugar levels in a way that many doctors don't even fully talk about yet. Research from the American Diabetes Association points out that certain foods can have a smaller impact on blood sugar. But what I'm about to show you goes way beyond the usual advice. Did you know that many people living with diabetes struggle with things like body pain, leg cramps, muscle weakness, numbness, low energy, kidney stress, and even joint problems? It can feel overwhelming, but there's real hope. Today, I'll uncover the worst and the best foods for diabetes. And here's the shocking part. Some of these bad foods are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. That's why you should watch this video all the way through, because I promise you'll discover practical tips you can use today that could make a real difference in your health. But here's the big question. Out of the 3 foods that may help most with blood sugar support, which one could actually give you the greatest benefit? The answer might surprise you, and I'll reveal it at the end of the video. Before we dive in, I want to ask you for one small commitment. Not to me, but to yourself. If you're serious about transforming your health starting today, type the words "I can do it" in the comments right now. When I see your comment, I'll leave a heart. It may sound simple, but this little act has power. Writing it down activates a process in your brain called commitment confirmation. In other words, when you declare something in public, you're more likely to follow through, which boosts your chances of success. So type "I can do it" below, and go ahead and share this video with friends and family on iMessage or social media, because someone you know may need this information today. 1. White bread and refined pasta. This might surprise you, but plain white bread can raise your blood sugar even faster than table sugar. Refined wheat turns into glucose within minutes, sending your sugar levels soaring and putting strain on blood vessels, nerves, and organs. 2 slices of white bread equal about 6 teaspoons of sugar straight into your bloodstream. On top of that, refined carbs trigger chronic inflammation, which worsens insulin resistance and pushes the body toward complications like neuropathy, kidney problems, and heart disease. If you're eating white bread first thing in the morning, you're starting your day with a major setback to your blood sugar control. 2. Sugary drinks and sodas. This is one of the biggest hidden dangers for anyone managing diabetes. A single can of regular soda packs around 35 grams of sugar, which is the same as 9 teaspoons. Within minutes of drinking it, your blood sugar spikes, forcing your pancreas to work overtime. Studies show that diabetic peripheral neuropathy already affects nearly half of people with diabetes, and regular intake of sugary drinks can speed up this process, leading to tingling, numbness, and pain in the hands and feet. The worst part is that sodas add nothing to your nutrition. They are nothing but refined sugar, creating inflammation throughout your body. If soda is part of your daily routine, you're feeding the very complications diabetes can bring. Hey, if you're learning these tips for natural diabetes control, share this message with someone you care about via iMessage right now. Small actions can truly change lives. 3rd worst food: processed sweets and desserts. This one might surprise you. Cakes, filled cookies, ice cream, and packaged chocolate bars are not only loaded with refined sugar, but also trans fats and preservatives that inflame your entire nervous system. Did you know that a single slice of chocolate cake can have up to 1.7 oz of sugar? That kind of sugar rush can spike your glucose for hours, forcing your pancreas to work in overdrive, accelerating diabetes progression, and dramatically raising your risk of cardiovascular complications. 4th worst food: packaged fruit juices. Many people believe they're making a healthy choice by drinking natural juice from a box, but in reality, these are concentrated fructose bombs. 1 glass of processed orange juice can contain the sugar of 4 whole oranges, but without the natural fiber that helps control absorption. The result? Massive glucose spikes that damage tiny blood vessels in your eyes, kidneys, and extremities. Regular consumption of these juices can speed up diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of blindness, while also overloading your kidneys and triggering painful neuropathy in your hands and feet. 5th worst food: processed meats and cold cuts. Hot dogs, sausages, ham, bologna, and other deli meats are loaded with nitrates, sodium, and chemical preservatives that worsen systemic inflammation. These compounds damage insulin sensitivity and accelerate vascular complications. The excess sodium alone raises blood pressure, strains your kidneys, and increases your risk of stroke and heart attack. If processed meats are still part of your routine, the best time to cut them out is today, because every serving pushes your health closer to dangerous territory. Now that you know which foods are secretly sabotaging your blood sugar, it's time to switch gears. Let's talk about the healing foods that can transform your health. First healing food: eggs. According to the American Diabetes Association, eggs are a safe, low glycemic option for people with diabetes. But they're more than just safe. They're a natural powerhouse. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect balance to rebuild muscle and prevent muscle loss, which is very common in diabetes. Research shows that people with diabetes who eat eggs daily have stronger muscles, more endurance, and better blood sugar stability. High-quality egg protein helps prevent glucose spikes after meals, while the magnesium supports ATP production, the energy fuel your muscles need, reducing fatigue and improving recovery. If you know someone living with diabetes, type 1 or type 2, share this video with them right now. Send it through WhatsApp, Messenger, or family groups. The more people get this knowledge, the more lives we can impact. For body pain and inflammation, eggs deliver omega-3s, vitamin D, and choline, which support joint health, ease chronic pain, and lower inflammatory markers. For libido, eggs provide B12, choline, and healthy fats essential for hormone production and reproductive function. For men, they boost testosterone and sperm quality. For women, they help balance hormones and lower the risk of PCOS. For nerve health, eggs are rich in B vitamins, choline, and lutein, protecting nerve cells from oxidative damage and improving neurotransmitter function. Since diabetic neuropathy causes tingling, numbness, and nerve pain, eggs can help repair nerve tissue and relieve symptoms. The best portion for people with diabetes is 2 to 3 whole eggs per meal. Choose pasture-raised, omega-3 enriched, or organic eggs for higher nutrient content compared to conventional ones. Second healing food. Nuts are one of the most powerful superfoods for diabetes. Adding just 1 oz of nuts to your diet can help prevent fruit sugars from spiking your blood glucose. Studies confirm that regular nut consumption improves insulin sensitivity, lowers A1C, and prevents long-term complications. For muscle health, nuts provide plant-based protein, magnesium, and BCAAs that support repair, recovery, and strength. Magnesium boosts ATP production, reduces fatigue, and increases endurance. For chronic pain and inflammation, nuts offer omega-3s, polyphenols, and magnesium that reduce muscle pain, joint stiffness, and nerve pain. People who eat nuts regularly show up to 40% lower inflammation markers, including C-reactive protein, often elevated in diabetes. For fertility and libido, nuts are rich in zinc, selenium, vitamin E, and arginine, all nutrients that boost testosterone, improve sperm quality, and enhance reproductive health. Studies show that men who eat walnuts and almonds daily have 16% better sperm mobility compared to those who don't. For nerve health, Nuts contain B vitamins, magnesium, and alpha-lipoic acid, which protect nerve cells and ease neuropathy symptoms. People with diabetes who consume at least 1 oz of nuts daily report up to 40% less nerve pain. For heart health, nuts improve HDL, the good cholesterol, lower triglycerides, and reduce arterial stiffness. In fact, one study found that eating 1.7 oz of mixed nuts daily lowered LDL cholesterol by 10% and increased HDL by 5%. The ideal serving size is 1 to 1.7 oz, about a small handful per portion. The best options include walnuts, almonds, pistachios, macadamias, and pecans, since they deliver the greatest benefits for glucose control. Third healing food, seeds. A study with 77 adults with type 2 diabetes found that chia seeds supported weight loss and helped maintain stable glucose control. Seeds are functional foods that slow down digestion, prevent sugar spikes, and improve metabolic health. For muscle health, seeds provide high-quality plant protein, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids that help repair muscle fibers, boost endurance, and reduce fatigue. Magnesium also enhances ATP production, your body's natural energy source. For pain and inflammation, seeds are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, polyphenols, and magnesium, all of which reduce joint stiffness, nerve pain, and systemic inflammation. People who regularly consume omega-3-rich seeds see a 30 to 40% drop in inflammation markers. If you're finding this information helpful, send this message via iMessage to 2 to 3 friends or family members who could benefit from these natural tips. Together, we can create a positive health chain. For fertility and libido, seeds are loaded with zinc, selenium, vitamin E, and omega-3s that support hormonal balance, improve sperm quality, and enhance reproductive health. For men, seeds can naturally support testosterone. For women, they may help regulate estrogen and improve egg quality. For nerve health, seeds provide magnesium, vitamin B6, and alpha-linolenic acid, which protect nerves from damage, improve neurotransmitter function, and ease neuropathy symptoms. People with diabetes who consume 0.7 to 1 oz of seeds daily often notice significant improvements in nerve function. For heart health, seeds improve cholesterol levels, lower arterial stiffness, and help regulate blood pressure. Thanks to arginine, seeds also boost nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and supports circulation. For weight control, seeds are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats that increase satiety, reduce cravings, and prevent overeating. By slowing digestion, they also help keep insulin and blood sugar levels stable. The ideal serving size is 0.7 to 1 oz, or about 2 tablespoons per portion. The best choices include chia, flax, pumpkin, sesame, and hemp seeds, all proven to help with glucose control. Simple anti-diabetes protein shake. Ingredients: 1 boiled egg, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, soaked, 10 raw almonds, 7 fal oz, 200 milliliters cold water, a pinch of ground cinnamon, natural stevia to taste. Preparation: soak the chia seeds in water for about 15 minutes until they form a gel. Blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Drink immediately in the morning to help stabilize your blood sugar throughout the day. Functional omelet with seed topping. Ingredients: 3 organic eggs, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1.7 oz fresh spinach, 1 teaspoon ground flax seeds, 1 oz chopped walnuts, 3.5 oz cherry tomatoes. Natural seasonings such as turmeric, black pepper, and sea salt to taste. Preparation: beat the eggs with natural seasonings. Sauté the spinach in olive oil until wilted. Pour the beaten eggs over the spinach and cook on low heat. When firm, Fold the omelet in half. Top with chopped walnuts, ground flax seeds, and cherry tomatoes. This combination delivers high-quality protein, fiber, and healthy fats that may support blood sugar management. Remember the question I asked at the beginning? Which one of these 3 foods is best for diabetes? The truth is, there isn't a single best food. The real power comes from the strategic combination of all 3. Eggs for stabilizing protein, nuts for healthy fats, seeds for fiber and omega-3s. Together, they create a nutritional synergy that may naturally optimize your blood sugar control. For an extra boost, I recommend a scientifically formulated diabetes support supplement. It contains ingredients that work synergistically with eggs, nuts, and seeds to help stabilize blood sugar. Link is in the description. Always consult your doctor first. If this content has really helped you and you want to support the channel, consider using Super Thanks. Your contribution helps keep producing science-based videos for natural diabetes management. If you made it this far, congratulations! You're truly someone committed to taking care of your health. To let me know you stayed until the end, drop this phrase in the comments. I am persistent. When I see your comment, I'll leave a heart. Let's build a wave of positive energy. Write at least 3 comments wishing good health to others. This simple act will help this video reach more people who need it. If this content was helpful, tell me in the comments. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which one are you planning to add to your routine? And forget to share this video with your family and friends who could also benefit from this evidence-based information. Right now, another video is appearing on your screen with even more tips for natural diabetes support. Click on it and go watch. It's waiting for you.